I'm going to show you my top favorite ways that I like to use washi in my planner, so let's get right to it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about my favorite ways of using washi, and I'm going to go into them a little bit deeper, and hopefully you will be inspired to use washi in different ways in your planner. So first I want to show you the washi that I'm using. This is the washi that is going to be in my kits. They're going to be available pre-order really soon. I am so in love. I'm so in love. I'm so happy with this washi, and I can't believe that I made this and you can use it in your planner. This one is amazing because it's really smooth, rolls off really nice, it's foiled, and I think it's my favorite of the three. And we're going to start with that one. So my first favorite way to use washi is to separate different parts of your planner. So I like to put all my tasks and appointments and things in this top part, and I don't put them in order unless they're an appointment or something, but all my tasks I just sort of list them, and then when I come to my planner I will look and see which one sort of speaks to me first, which one I feel like doing, and then I get that one done first. And I also have these top 3 priorities which I will usually put in the night before, and I like to keep it, because there's a line there, I like to keep it kind of separate. So I will put washi there, but this one's kind of thick, so I often will use a thinner washi, but since we're using my new washi, I'm going to trim it. And a really easy way to do that is with a paper trimmer. You take the line where it's going to cut, you decide how much washi you want, how wide you want it, and then you cut it super easily, and then it's easy to peel up. And you don't have to worry about the other bit getting tangled or sticking to it because it's still stuck on the trimmer. So then you can just lay it in. And I'll usually cut this there. And that looks super cute. And I also will line the bottom because I think that looks pretty as well. Here's another way I can do it on the monthly spread. Use the other half here to separate the boxes from the notes section. I usually cover up those icons anyway with a sticker. There's also stickers in my kit, but they're not ready yet. And I really like how that's a little bit crooked. This washi is great because it comes up, it gives you like some leeway. Once it's stuck down, if you pull it back up, it's not going to rip your page. There. And I really like how it separates it out. It's still sort of cohesive to the page, but you have 2 different sections. Okay, my next favorite way to use it is when I want to block out certain days. So for example, we are dog sitting, and what I will do is I will make a run of washi on the days that we are doing something like that. So since we're keeping him for this week, I can lay this down on the days when he is going to be here, and then I will know that those are the days that the dog is coming. Now this washi may look a little wide for this month, but I don't use my monthly spreads that often, so it's okay for me. But if it's too big for you, you can do like I did with this and make it really thin. You could even have it super thin, like just a couple of millimeters along the bottom. That's also great for if your kids are away at camp, or if you're taking a course for a week, or if you're away. It's a great way to sort of block it off. At a quick glance, you can see what is going on. Before I show you my next tip, which is probably my most favorite way to use washi, I want to know whether you've watched my washi playlist. I have so many videos on washi, and I absolutely love washi. So if you haven't watched those videos, I'll send you to that playlist when this video is over. Okay, let's move into my third favorite way. What I like to do is to make little bookmarks on my pages so I can tell from a glance when I look at my book like this where that page is. And these are pages that I like to refer to really often, maybe my tracking page or my goal page or something that I look to every once in a while, but I'm just going to do it on this one just to show you examples. So what I do is I put the washi on the very edge with enough space for it to stick, and then I will fold it back, but not all the way to where the page ends, because if I do that, it's not going to stick out. What I do is I fold it back with the same, let's move this out of the way, roughly the same amount on the page. It may take a couple tries if you're not used to doing this. Oh, that actually looks like plaid, cool. And then when you trim it, then when you close your book, you can find that page right away, flip open to it, and you're ready to go. So that is probably my favorite way of using washi. The only thing is I don't have a lot of pages that I need to reference that fast, so I don't get to use it as much as I like. But it sure does look cute. You could even do this every month and have this on every monthly page, and you could have a bunch of matching washis that will match the cover of your planner, and it would be really easy to flip to the month if you don't have tabs. Super cute, super fun. I love it. It's my favorite. Since I was talking about my kits, I thought that I would give you a sneak peek, and I'm going to open these up for pre-order so that you will get them soon, because I know a lot of you are really excited to get them, and there was a lot of things that I didn't really know, and I'm sort of learning as I go, so it took a little bit longer than I thought. But they are pretty much ready. There's a few things that are missing, and I'll tell you as I go through what's missing. The first thing you'll see is this thank you card, and I'm going to put a website here. There's lots of free matching downloads and printables that you can use along with these kits at this site, which you'll get when you order the kit. So inside the kit, it's missing 4 sheets of stickers, a bookmark, and the tabs, I think, is the only thing that's left to do. And basically there's about 20 different items, or little sets, like there's one of the items is a set of die cuts, for example. And I tried to package it eco-friendly. The only thing I asked for the washi to come without the plastic, but I think they forgot. But anyway, that's the only thing that's not reusable or eco-friendly. So what is in the kit? There is a set of die cuts. There are 4 little note cards. There's 2 bookmarks. There's another one that's coming. A pen, sticky notes, 3 rolls of washi. This one has gold foil like you saw earlier in the video. 2 pom-pom clips and 4 papers or dashboards. They are going to be $39.95. They are open for pre-order now, and I will be sending them out Friday once I get the stickers and the bookmark and the tabs finished. So that's the kit. I'm really excited. The shipping will not be very much because the box is pretty light, so I'm thinking probably $3.50 within Europe, $5 to the United States. I have to double check, but that's what I'm thinking right now. I forgot to mention on the back of this, it's not just something, oh yeah, thank you, and then throw it away. You can actually use the back of it once you're done. So that's my kit. Pop over to the link in the description below and order yours today. For more washi tips and tricks and basically washi fun galore, check out my washi playlist right up there. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that and hit that notification bell, because if you've got that turned on, you'll know when my next video comes out. I hope you got some inspiration for that. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day, and happy planning.